Are you tired of driving down the road and breaking the law and totally being hands-on with a hands-free device? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to show you how to fix that with this really cool dash car clip mount for your phone. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Andobil Easy Clip car mount. This is super easy, convenient way to use your phone while driving, but hands-free. It's great for displaying GPS and so much more. Andobil has been making products like this for so long, but as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing of the product, install it, and test it out and tell you guys what we think. But let's get over to that unboxing. Hey, Matt, hey me, unbox this product.
All right, everybody, so let's go ahead and unbox the Andobil Easy Clip car mount. Very nice box here. Looks like the first thing you come to is the actual phone mount itself. Very nice. Easy release. I like it. Wow. Wow. Very cool. Very nice. The additional mount right here. So this one will attach to the front of your dash, kind of above the steering wheel. Very nice. I'm sure you guys have seen things like this all over the internet right now. They're very popular, but this one is from a good company. So there's the difference, guys. Looks like there's some documentation in here. Not happy? They give you information right here to talk to support. And also if you're happy, that's very cool. Not happy? Happy. So far, we're happy. A little product here right here. Looks like there is some 3M tape strips right here. Very nice. A cleaning wipe also to make sure the surface is nice and clean when you put the 3M strips down. Looks like there was Velcro on that as well. Got a matchup card right here. It looks like the 3M tape fits. So it should be pretty easy to set it up and make sure you get it all in the right spot before you mount it down for what feels like for good. And of course, there is the guide and instruction manual kind of showing you how to set up the product and how to use it. Make sure everything's nice and good. There's a couple different languages inside this guide here. As you see, we got some English there. And then as it goes on, it looks like there's even German and some other things inside of this. But very cool. But let's go ahead and move over and get the Andobil product installed. Let's get our phone mounted.
It's super important to use a heads-up display, and Andobil recognizes this with their universal car phone clip holder. It's the Easy Clip car mount from Andobil. Safest heads-up display. The Andobil R&D team specifically designed the clip phone holder for car dashboards. Some suitable vehicle models include 2002 Ford F-150, a 2014 Chevy pickup truck, a 2018 Subaru Outback, and so much more. The Andobil dashboard clip phone mount as a head-up display won't block the sight. It makes driving safer. So no need to turn your neck hard to see the GPS or the phone interface, and it reduces burden on your eyes and neck. Please ensure your dashboard has enough edge to install. Follow the dashboard requirements before purchasing. A thickness of less than 2 inches and a length greater than 3 inches. Military grade design, and it never slips. It's made with soft, non-slip silicone pads, high strength thickened pure steel springs, and a curved base that fits the dashboard. The ultra stable car phone clip holder attaches to the dashboard or console ledge and securely holds your devices to prevent them from scratching or falling. Make sure you try to use the Velcro. This extra function will help the phone to remain safe, even on bumpy roads. Exclusive 3M Velcro double locking design. The double locking design with 3M exclusive patented Velcro design, high spring tension of military grade pure steel spring is an amazing combo. The Andobil cell phone holder provides upgrading 50 times strongest gripping, and it makes it firmly mount to the dashboard ledge. They had an attention to detail. All pressure parts have been designed with soft silicone pads to prevent damage to your car and phone. Unique panel, one-handed operation. The first one-handed operation on the market dashboard clip phone mount. The car phone holder with the newest quick release button is more convenient and easier to operate than all others on the market. Compared with other two-handed dash clip phone holders, Andobil car dashboard clip phone holder brings you to a new, slick, true pick place experience. It comes with wider and deeper clamp arms, so it fits pretty much all big phones. It's wider, it's deeper, it's more adjustable, and the clamp arms and the deepest snap depth at 0.8 inches make the Andobil car phone mount fit all phones, from 4 inches up to 7 inches, and even thick phone cases, including things like OtterBoxes and battery cases. It's compatible with all large and heavy phones or all GPS devices. And did I mention that you're one of the most important people to Andobil? They have great customer service with real voices and real people talking to you. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, professional customer service. And it's online, so any of your inquiries will be taken seriously by their awesome service team. Andobil, you have done it again. You have made an awesome product, and you guys are doing a whole lot of stuff right now. We also got a USB-C cable from you guys, so keep it up. We want to give a huge shout out to you guys for sponsoring this video. Andobil, thank you so much for letting us share your awesome products with our viewers, audience, awesome community. And guys, let us know in the comments below, are you having this issue right now? Are you trying to figure out the right phone holder or mount for you in your vehicle? Let us know in the comments below before you explode. Thanks for watching. I've been your host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap, and we'll see you guys in the next review. Later.